Hi everyone, my name is Lovely Kumar and I'm a student of Federation University. And as a course requirement of contemporary challenges for IT manager, I'm discussing telecommunicating. Let's start with telecommunicating. What is telecommunicating? Telecommunicating is the advantage of technology that we can stay at home and do all the jobs which we do previously going at home, or sorry, going into the office. But with the help of this technology, we are getting many advantages as well as many disadvantages, because whatever is made by human being, there are both positive and negative side. So in the video I'm going to discuss first the positive side of telecommunicating. In telecommunicating, we can like as I already mentioned that we can do work sitting at home, but it's also famous with many other names as well, like e-work, virtual office, because it provides the such kind of facility, like we look like we are working in a virtual world, and there is no barrier of distance, and it saves us as cost as well, for mostly for the IT industry. When we are doing project for many different countries, then we have to do many meetings, what or other things. In the past they do with the help going to the traveling long distance and spending so much money, but after the invention of telecommunicating, they are saving their cost and the time as well, because they don't need to go every country where they are working for. They can talk to them with the client and the stakeholder, everybody who's involved in the project, and they can show their product output as well, like the prototype they do. So in many other ways, the telecommunicating is very helpful, I think, which I realized now after doing the research on this topic. And on the negative side of telecommunicating, there are many disadvantages as well, like people, like employees, usually they try, it's proof that people are more productive working at home, but some people, they misuse the technology and they pretend that they are working at home, but they are not actually doing the job right. So there is a such kind of we can say there is a kind of probability that people misuse the technology. So we need to, in the future, I think there will be any technology which gonna solve this problem and which gonna help us, and the management who gonna use this technology in the future as well, because it's saving in many other ways, but all over there are more positive sides as compared to the negative side. So for me, it's a good invention and very helpful for me. For example, I'm a student and I'm studying overseas and I'm far away from my family, but with the help of telecommunicating, I can do the Skype chat with my parents after once in a week, or after 2 months or 2 weeks. So it provides me I feel like I'm connected with my family. I'm not not an individual person, I'm not alone. So for me, it's a good thing that I can talk to my parents and see them on the internet with the help of internet. So with the help of this telecommunications technology. So for me, it's very good. As I already mentioned, telecommunication have many disadvantages, but one of the most important disadvantages in the IT industry, which we are experiencing now, is different time zone. Like if we have project in different countries, like in India and Australia, we have difference of 5.5 hours difference time zone. That means if we are that it's very hard for us to communicate in the overseas country, because every country have their different time zones, and it's make us very tough to stay late night and do the communication with the other party. So one hand it's saving our cost, but on the other hand it's very hard for us to do the time management, because in the according to the Australian time zone, we work from the 8 o'clock till 4 or 5, and but if we use this telecommunication, we have to work till midnight, so that we can do the communication with the other parties as well, who are in the overseas countries, not in our not in our home country. And on the other hand as well, like in the same scenario, I can, like if I think personally, like if I have to talk to my parents though who are in India, but I have to look for the time first, then I can do the conference, or if I want to do the Skype chat. But for me it is also very hard, like I'm managing my study and other things, my job, all the stuff. So sometimes I don't have the time to regularly chat with my family. So there are so bottom line is there are some advantages, but there are negative sides as well, because so in the future I think we need some technology which can come over this problem, so that we can use this telecommunicating technology without any barrier. And to sum up, that's all I would like to mention. Thank you very much.